Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So there's my spread for Monday, May 14th through to Sunday, May 20th, where I went with a more doodle cacti scheme, and I really like it. It's really simple, but it's just a little glimpse into, I guess, me doodling. I'm not very confident about doodling. So this week, I'm actually going to combine my love of the bullet journal and using some stickers. So I'm going to use some parts of this aquamarine kit from, maybe not that, but some parts of this aquamarine kit from the sticker Genie, just because maybe combining what I love about planning both the stickers and the drawing will, I don't know, re-inspire me, I guess. But there's just different ways that you can do bullet journaling that include both stickers and washi and all sorts. All right, so let's get started. Now, the whole idea for this spread took me a long time to decide on, and I really wanted to use this kit but didn't know how to use it and still incorporate bullet journaling. So I'm going to take this washi strip and actually cut it in half and then cut that half into half again. So I've basically cut it into quarters, so really thin washi strips. Because I knew on the actual spread itself I don't have a lot of room because it's very much about the boxes that I draw in. So these washi strips are going to add just a little bit of decoration on the top and the bottom. And I just love the color of that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and draw in the, I guess I'm going to draw in the boxes, but I'm trying to decide, do I want to add more washi? Decide no. So I'm going to go back and draw in the boxes and realized I made a mistake on the first two. So I'm going to use my white gel pen to try and cover up some of the mistakes. I don't know how much of it actually covered. I think you can actually still see it from this angle. But when I look at the page itself from that view, from where I was drawing it in, it looked like the white had covered up the mistakes. I'm still trying to decide whether or not I like the very, very straight lines, or if I like the lines a bit more informal, casual, more doodled. I'm still trying to decide. I liked last week's spread where the lines of the boxes are doodled in, or even like the stamps where it looks like it's doodled in. I like the word doodle. Anyway, so I'm still trying to decide on the exact style that I like. I mean, I do like it neat and prim, but I also like I guess, how cute the doodles look. So I'm still trying to decide on that. I don't know, what are your thoughts? What do you guys think? Now, I did decide this week just to go with the stickers because I still want to try and work on my doodling, but I don't feel confident enough yet in my doodling skills or my drawing skills. So I think maybe next week I'll go back to finding I guess a theme that I want to do. If you guys have any ideas for themes for next week, please let me know. So here I have this stencil from Barnwood Boutique, who unfortunately I don't think are on Etsy anymore, and using the scallop border, creating a scallop box, and that's where I'm going to keep track of my weigh-in for the week. Because of the change in my work schedule, I now weigh in on Friday mornings instead of Saturday mornings. So I like to keep track of the weight as well as what date that I weighed in. So these are some gorgeous scallop stickers from Hey Danny Co. I'm in love with her scallop stickers, so I'm going to try and use them wherever I can, and this was a great excuse to be able to use them, and this shade of pink matched perfectly with this spread, with the sticker kit. So I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to use this scallop and create a little bit of a header, and I couldn't decide, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to just skip that for now. And then I'm going to write in the days of the week using my Tombow brush pen. I'm still trying to find my overall style with the bullet journaling, what style works for me, whether I want it very, very neat or whether I want it more doodle. And I'm taking I'm watching a few videos by Amanda Rach Lee. Journal inspiration is great. I'm still trying to discover some bullet journal inspiration. So if you have some that you like, please leave them down in the comments below.
So that other box that I'm leaving there on the side is for the dinners that I have scheduled for the week. And in terms of meal planning, that's basically as much meal planning as I do. And then my breakfasts and lunches are normally, I have my 2 or 3 go-to breakfasts or lunches. And then dinners are the ones that I feel like I really need to pre-plan for. And I'm just going to add a few deco stickers around here just to add a bit more decoration. Now, the way that I meal plan and track my foods is I track Monday through Friday, and then I also track my activities that day, and Saturday and Sunday I let loose a little bit. It's a balance that I found over the years as a Weight Watchers member. I've been a Weight Watchers member since March of 2005, and I've since then had 2 kids, moved away to London, England, and I've gained my half of my weight back. I gained some weight while I had both my kids, but now I've been back at my goal weight. How old is my son now? My son is 3. I've been back at my goal weight for over 2.5 years. It'll be 3 years this summer. And since my son was born, I've lost about 40 pounds, and Weight Watchers has been just my go-to for me. So I'm using these floral stickers to add a little bit of decoration, and I didn't want to waste any of it, so I've cut part of that off and part of that sticker off and placed it on different parts of the spread. And I love the way that looks. It's so cute. And then I want to add, I'm trying to think here, one more thing there. So I take like these photo boxes or these planner boxes and just add that. And then I'm going to add this quote from the Glam Girl book, and I love the rose gold. It just works so well. And that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again and have a great day.